Just want to show you some of the things you can do with the AI assistant inside your AI powered page builder that you can get from AI1UP.com. Pays you 100% commissions. It's $100 for life, one lifetime payment, and you get this entire system with this AI powered page builder. So you see here, there's an AI assistance button right there. You click that and you can type anything you want to Claude or OpenAI to make changes to your pages. So once you've generated the pages with AI, you can use this AI page assistance to make any kind of alterations that you want. So I'll just show you something I did really quick here. You see how this video has this gold button and it's got this border that when you click on that, it highlights it. So you can style your video. So once you've got your video ID set and you're all ready to publish this page, instead of just having a tacky red button like most YouTube videos you see here you can style it to match the rest of your page. So you see how I've matched the rest of the page with this really nice gold button. And so what it had to do to implement this was it had to install an API into the page. So it just added an API with JavaScript that connects to YouTube. And all I did was I just told the AI assistant, please put a gold button on my videos that automatically play my videos when it's clicked. And so what it did is it installed the API into this page via JavaScript, and it put these really nice gold buttons on the page to match the rest of my page. So it's not just the red normal YouTube red button that's clashing with the rest of the page. It might seem like a simple thing, but that's very complicated if you were to try to do that manually. You'd have to, find some JavaScript and probably spend an hour to try to figure out how to do that yourself. So these are the kind of things that AI can assist you to do to make your pages look much better. And let me just do another thing real quick. I kind of like these icons to be even with the heading. What I'm going to do is select this section, and I'm just going to tell the AI assistant, please put the icons even with the headings in this section. And let's just see what it does here. So we'll just give that a few seconds to do the work to process all of that. So you see that's put my headings right even with my icon. So that looks more like how I want it to actually look on the page. And so these are the kind of things you can do with this system you can get for $100 lifetime. It makes your life so much easier. It's like if you had a professional designer at your beck and call to make any alterations that you want to your pages. AI does everything for you in this system. Again, it's $100 lifetime, pays you 100% commissions.